disposal and recycling of it. All the waste from home, factories and industries must be properly managed. Otherwise, it would lead to various environmental problems and health issues. This is why we need effective ways to collect, regenerate, transport, dispose. There are various ways of recycling waste: landfill, composting, incineration, etc. Landfill is the burial of waste in low-lying soil with covering. Composting is the process of turning organic waste into a nutrient-rich fertilizer. Incineration is the process of using high heat to break down waste into ash and gases. It is the safety disposal method of medical waste. Using this heat, we can generate electricity. Let's see how to recycle the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. For the biodegradable waste, we should keep a strong motor that spins in anti-clockwise direction to suck the organic waste and let it to the farm through a pipe. For the non-biodegradable waste, the same process as the biodegradable, but we should grind